When life hands you lemons, make an electrochemical battery. Yay! We got it to work! I'm so excited that we finally got this to work. Energy is everywhere, and it's in everything. Do you remember learning about energy from our catapult experiment? Because of the catapult, we know a little bit about energy. But what about power? What is power? Power is the rate of energy, meaning the amount of energy per second. So the more energy, the more power. Let's get a better understanding of power with a lemon battery. That's right, a battery made out of lemons. If you're on my social media, then you know that I've been working on this experiment for a really long time. And it was requested by one of you guys, but now that I know what to do, I can teach you guys the right way so it only takes you one time. So cut a small slit into 4 lemons. Place a penny in each of those slits. So each lemon should have 1 penny. And on the other side, screw in zinc-coated nails or screws. But make sure that the penny and the nails are not touching inside the lemon. Now, you can use either copper wire or alligator clips. But you'll attach the penny of one lemon to the nail of the next lemon, and do this for all 4. Now the 2 that are left on the ends, these will connect to our light bulb. So each wire coming from the light bulb, one is a negative and one is a positive. So if it doesn't work the first time, just switch which ones are connected. Be careful when handling the wires because there is a small electric charge running through the wires. But it's safe if handled correctly. Now hydrogen gas can also be produced during the chemical reactions in the lemons. So don't perform this experiment near open flames or strong sources of heat. And safety equipment is recommended. Yay! We got it to work! I'm so excited that we finally got this to work. This took so much time and money. I can't even count the number of times that I tried this experiment. And I kept buying different light bulbs, so it needs an LED, but not an LED that you would use in your home. Found that out the hard way. And I also read that you can use Christmas lights, but again, the Christmas lights have to be LED. And not all Christmas lights are LED. Found that out the hard way too. I also tried out different types of copper, different types of wire, different nails, and then finally realized that I just needed the right type of light bulb. So I used a 5mm, but you can use a 3mm, and I want to challenge you to doing the 10mm. Now I didn't want to go overboard because again, I couldn't get this experiment to work. But now that we got it to work, I want you to try the 10mm light bulb. So we used 4 lemons. We probably could have used 3. For the 10mm, you should probably use 5 or 6. Seriously, you guys should try it. It's really exciting when it works. And let us know down in the comments below if you tried the 10mm light bulb and if you got it to work and how many lemons you used. Now, if you are allergic to lemons or just don't have any lemons around, potatoes work just as well. And I've heard that they work even better than lemons. Electricity can be dangerous if it's not handled properly. Now, each lemon is a little bit less than 1 volt. So it's not like it's a lot of electricity, but as a scientist, it's always important to be as safe as possible. So how does this work? Well, do you remember our glowing fountain experiment? When 2 electrons got really excited, they would transfer their energy, and that allowed the glowing fountain to glow. In this experiment, the citric acid in the fruit takes 2 electrons from the copper penny and transfers them over to the zinc nail. And the wires take that energy and transfer it over to the next lemon. And then it takes both of their energies and transfers it over to the next lemon. And then takes all of that energy from all 3 or 4 lemons and takes it through the wire, and that turns it from the chemical energy to the electrical energy in order to light the light bulb. So the energy from the excited electrons were able to transfer into the light bulb and power the light bulb. But it won't power it forever. Now I don't know how long, I still got it going, so we'll see when it stops. But the lemon has a limited amount of acid. Once it runs out, the light will stop. The food does create enough power to light the light bulb, but only for a little while. Again, the power is limited. But what about his power? Is he limited? Today we mostly think of God as a being, probably because it says that we were made in his image. But think of a picture. So I have this picture of me, but can it sing along to songs or dance around like I can? It's my image, but it can't do nearly the things that I can do. So just because we are made in God's image doesn't mean that we can do the things that he can do. Did you know that God used to be called a power? Again, today we consider him as a being, but he used to be considered as a power. And that could probably explain why we can't see him. We couldn't see the lemons powering the light bulb, just like you can't see the power that works your TV. So he doesn't have unlimited power like the light bulb does. He is power. So this video was requested by my dear friend, Christian Fontenot. He has been one of my biggest fans, and he has his own YouTube channel, which is pretty good. He talks a lot about religion and life, and he's really good. You can check him out if you want. I'll include a link to his channel down in the description below. Thank you so much for requesting this, and I'm so sorry that it took so long to get it done. He requested a video on the sovereignty of God, and I thought, what better way to make power from lemons? So I hope this is okay. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you like this experiment, let me know what you think about him being power. Let me know your thoughts and beliefs down in the description below. We can get this discussion going as long as this is friendly and purely in a learning manner. So please be friendly, but let's keep this conversation going down below, and I will see you guys later.